Don't ruin it.
Subscribe, you spaghetti noobs.
You serious?
Hey guys, Spaghetti Noob here. Just a quick video update. First video of the season. Cannot really ride yet. It's still kind of cold. It's actually raining right now with the whole quarantine situation. One of the things that we've been trying to do at least once a week so far. This is the 4th week strong. We've been learning how to smoke. So we will try to do this. Oh, it's actually too high. So we currently set our temperature to, it's supposed to be 325. Oh, it's almost there. So it's at 321. So the temperature is almost to what we set it at. We can actually lower this. And we are going to try, this is our 2nd week trying to smoke burgers. The first week, they were either cooked too much or they didn't have enough fat in them. So this is going to be our 2nd attempt. First attempt, we tried smoking some ribs. We did a 3-2-1 method. They came out okay, except I put a whole bunch of salt on one of the ribs, which was kind of bad. And then the 2nd week when we tried ribs, we smoked them for too long without using 3-2-1 method, and they were a bit too dry. The last week of burgers, which was the first time we tried burgers, we may have smoked them for too long at too high of a temperature. So now we're trying another method, high heat, low time. So we'll see how it goes. They're almost ready to be put in. Easy. No. Alright, we're gonna close it. And it's gonna take a bit to heat back up. And we're gonna start the timer, and we're gonna do 10 minutes on each side. We do not have a meat thermometer, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, we're back. It's a bit windy, temperature is dropping, we're about to flip them. Go, flip. I don't know how you're gonna flip them. Oh, like that. Alright, let's close the lid.
Okay.
Yep. Alright, we're back. Wow. Gosh, they look amazing. Alright. Let's put cheese on them. Yeah, we'll see a little bit of these. That's okay. You'll put it like a second. No, it's wrong. We'll have it right. There we go. I don't get it. So hold on. It's probably clean. Yeah. Alright. Take them out. Hold it?
Yeah, you hold it.
Yeah. That's really hot. You didn't move these the right way.
No! Why did you do that?
It burned my hand. So far, so good. The second attempt at burgers was pretty good. So we will try again probably next week for our 5th week. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, and have a good day.